During our interior design phase, always the client has options, right? And we try to narrow down those options into a visit to our showroom where we have all kinds of samples, and we try to stay atop of all the brands and the majority of the important scopes, right? The ones that are more visible, like tiles, flooring, wallpapers, plumbing fixtures and such. So we try to narrow down those selections, the ones that we can, into our showroom. So the client can come to our showroom and we'll have all the samples here and they can make selections here. But sometimes, like plumbing fixtures or lighting fixtures, we are required to take them to the showrooms that we work with, and they go to, with the interior designer, they go to that showroom and they make those selections over there. So always we have two options: our showroom and different vendors' showrooms as well.